me, Ella, and today I'm in. Oh, cool. Okay, before the end. I'm in Deep Ocean City map, I think it is, and I'm just gonna fall off the end. Yay! I'm gonna fly back up because I'm on creative mode. Where is it? Oh, it's there. So let's figure that you can fall off the end. I was only here for like a minute. I was looking around. I didn't see that. So funny. Okay, so. Welcome to Deep Ocean City version 1.1, even though I have 1.0.2, but it still works. By Ethan. What? What does that say? Ethan what?
Ethan B. Awesome.
Okay. So I might say some of these names wrong if there are any more. I don't think there will be. Started around October of 2015, so I'm guessing this map has been here for quite a long time, because now it's 2017. It says only version 1.1, which means not all projects are completely finished. Other versions will have many new buildings and projects. Okay.
And that's his Twitter address, and he says enjoy.
I might sprint because I might have to. And I think mobs are on. If you've watched my channel quite a lot, oh, you wouldn't really know this, but I do not like mobs. I have to try and walk in a straight line. I can't do that. That's why I have a diamond sword. Let's get a diamond sword. I don't like diamonds. So I'll pick for an iron sword. I have no idea why I have all these books. I'm just gonna fly to see what's over there. This is so cool. This is just the best thing ever. Just gonna go down. Oh wait, I can't walk on the street. I get run over. Yay. I'm trying not to jump up. Look at me. I'm jumping up and down.
Oh wow, it's got all city streets in it. Oh, I like the bench.
Okay.
Where are you gonna go?
I have no idea why there are anvils in the middle of the street with horizontal. What does that say? Stop. Oh, there's stop signs. That's cool. Ooh, what is this? Oh, car park. I'm just jumping over the fences randomly. Where is this place? No idea.
Like it might be an office or something.
Or school. There is a skeleton in the school. Okay, I'm turning mobs off because it's really creepy. I heard the skeleton. Peaceful mode. Why is always day off? I hate it when always days off. Here we go. There we go. There's no skeleton inside. I think this is a school. Nothing in that room. It might not be a school, I'm not sure. It looks like a school though to me. Where is a door to this giant maze? I'm just calling it that because it is a giant maze. You can't find the door and it's giant. It's like a maze. Where?
You're just coming left.
Left.
That's
Oh,
right.
that's left.
No.
What's that? Yeah, I'm being pushed backwards by a plant. Oh, this is nice. And this is a giant maze.
There will probably be an elevator.
I get in. We go up or anything? There's no button. Okay. That's a bit weird. I just have to fly up. Let me in. Okay, I'm coming out of here. It's weird, I can't get in. Okay, goodbye elevator. It doesn't even have a button. Okay, I don't think I... Oh. Let me in. Yes, you let me in. You will let me in. Let's go outside. Let's go this way. Oh, this is actually quite nice.
Reception area.
But I'm sitting on a table. I'm going to jump over here. Okay, so there's not very much over here. I'm just going to try and get out now. I just want to get out. I'm going to have to break a hole in the window. I can't get out. Okay. Annoying. Where are the window blocks? I keep forgetting where everything is. Sorry, window. I will replace you. There we go. Oh, I forgot. Oh, it actually gave me lots more things. I still have a diamond sword. Okay, so I'm just gonna fly really high. Oh my god, this place is so high. Look how high this is. It's like a skyscraper. Oh, I think that's the highest one. Is that a prison or something? Oh no, look at this.
Smoke coming out of the chimney.
Do I even get stuck in there? No, I don't, because I'm uncreative. This has to be a school. Is this a school?
It's got tennis courts outside. It could be like a leisure centre or something. Oh, you've gone. I was looking at the place opposite where you are.
I'm trapped. Okay, I'm not
Big
trapped.
hole in the floor.
I think it was some sort of explosion. Yeah, it must have been an explosion. A creeper exploded. Well, they made it look like a creeper exploded.
Weird.
I can get back up the top.
That's great.
Sorry, floor. I'm in the road. I'm in the middle of the road. What was that?
There must have been the drains under the city or something.
I just had that, so I put it there. Sorry. What happened to her? Okay, I'm just going up here.
Peek through the windows.
Okay.
They're all like offices.
Have you forgot I'm doing a video? Oh, this is so high. Look. I don't know. These places are just so high. I'm just looking from up here. It's so big. So super big. We need a house in this place. These are very villages. These villagers. That do? Okay, that doesn't do anything. Let me in this place. Is this all? Oh, is there more? No. Okay, this is all.
Seems to be it.
Let me out. Auto jump is on. I don't know why I can't jump sometimes. I was being in creative mode.
Oh,
Water.
shit.
It's more than abandoned shit. It's down there. Where am I? I'm not on survival. Why am I collecting everything? Let me get at the top.
It's just a cargo ship.
With spawners. They're not
You
supposed
could go
to.
in the door and see in the
I
cabin.
know if I can get in. Oh, I'm
It's
stuck.
just a room.
Let me out. Let me out. I hate these doors. I'm stuck in a spider web. Ooh, there are islands over there. Yeah, this is a lot better. I'm not really sure if I like that place. I do like it, but I'm just gonna go to this island. It would be a good survival island. I'm gonna do one of those survival island videos again, which I obviously am. But it could be good for season 2 or season 3 or something like that. It'd be good if I was on survival mode. I could get some stuff in there. Sand. Let's go. Oh, there's seriously nothing there. Okay, I'm flying over the city. What is that? It's a giant escalator. Or steps. I just called it escalator for no reason. Okay, let me go up the giant escalator. I have no idea why I'm calling it that. not even
I
sure.
think it's like a.
You're supposed
It's
to
a
go
bridge.
up there. I know. I'm just going up it. It's going up the giant escalator thing.
Let's see what on the other side of the bridge.
I'm just gonna go up here. Let's see what's up here. Oh, is that a chest? Oh, no, that's not a chest. It's on the side of the bridge. And I have to sprint in the air. Oh, it's the end of the world. Great. That's not the end of the world, it's just the end of the map. So, this map is quite big. Look how big this map is. It's more of it. Oh, I'm having that house. Since this map is quite big, I can't really show all of it. I showed quite a lot of it. Okay, those don't do anything. Is there supposed to be a door here? How do I get in? Okay, I just walked my way through the wall because I couldn't find the door. Oh, the crafting table. Crafting table. Is there anything in the crafting table? Okay. There's just a random button here. Okay, so that's quite weird. There's just random buttons everywhere. It's so weird. Oh, there's stairs. Yeah,
They're probably for lights, aren't they? The button. Well, they're just
I
decorations.
didn't even
aren't they?
press it. I didn't even press it. I can't say anything today. Okay, television
I
does
think
not
that's
work.
just meant to look like a TV.
I know, it just doesn't work. Ooh, big bed. No, it's obviously don't do anything.
Oh, cool
And that's
bed.
not even a bed where am I putting buttons everywhere. Nice bed. I'm gonna bounce on my bed. I can't even bounce because the ceiling is right there. Well, it's not a ceiling, but... Oh, is there anything? No. No. No.
All the chests are empty. Let's put that.
No. No.
I do like the house though. It's very
Yes. I'm placing random blocks everywhere. So I'm just gonna have to end the video here. Oh, why are the doors open? No, my favourite colour! My bed, this is my bed. My best friend Emma can sleep in that room. And she's coming on Friday so I can do a video with her. Minecraft, because she has Minecraft on her tablet. So we can meet each other. This is my room now. No one else is getting this room. It's the bluest room. So bye everyone. This has to be the end of the video. And I just can't find my way out of this house. So bye everyone. I'm just jumping down here. Bye everyone.